Hello everyone. I apologize, I misspoke in the last video. I said that we were going to do components in this video, but before we do that, we actually need to first set up our development environment. But this will be very fast. The first thing you'll want to do in Visual Studio Code is press Control and then the backtick button. It's next to the number 1 key. That's going to open up our terminal right here inside of Visual Studio Code. Now, make sure that you've got the right terminal selected by pressing the arrow icon and selecting the terminal you want. Again, I'm using Git Bash. So the first thing we need to do is serve the project, which essentially is how we run it. We can do that by typing this command, ng serve, and press enter. This is going to compile the project and run it. Now, we need to open up our web browser, and let's go to localhost 4200. All right, this is where our app is going to run. And let's check on this. It looks like it's getting there. We'll come back in just a minute when it's ready. Oh, actually, yeah. Okay, so the project has finished compiling. Let's see if I can show you this here. It's finished compiling, and if we go ahead and look in our web browser, oops. Okay, we can see that it's running here, and they've already got something going. Now, we want to get rid of all of this and create our own application. But first, I want to show you a few things. So if we switch back to here, to where it's running our code, I want to show you how to make a change and see the edits change live or nearly live. Let's go ahead and click on app and go to app.component.ts. Now remember, I told you we were going to talk about this title variable. The title, where it says test project, that's being used here in this application where it says test project app is running. Now let's change that. Let's change this to cool project and press save. Now you'll notice something just happened. In our terminal, it recompiled everything and it reloaded the page for us. And so you can see it says cool project app is running. How cool is that? Okay, this is all we need for our development environment. Now, one more thing, if you want to stop this from running, you can go into the terminal and press Control-C, and it will stop. And again, to start it, we do ng serve. But if you want to know a little trick, after you say ng serve, let's clear this. After you say ng serve, press space -o. What this is going to do is it's going to open up the port or the web page for you. So go ahead and press enter, and I'm going to close this. And when it's done compiling, we won't have to navigate to localhost 4200 anymore. It will do it for us. And the reason we have to go to 4200 is because that's the default for an Angular project. But let's wait until this is done. Great, so if I pull this up, it actually opened on my other screen, but it pulled up our project when we ran that. So that's how you set up your environment. And now in the next video, we will actually get to components. So I'll see you in the next one.